Okay friends, and in this video I will try to solve my 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, and while solving that cube I will try to play Subway Surfer with my feet. Yes, with my feet. And it's really tough, so I don't know how much I can do this, but I will try. And to make sure, see it, I have not unlimited skateboards. It's only 18. You can go to shop and check that I have only 16,408 coins, so there is no cheating. I will use skateboard because there is so much chances of my to get hit by my obstructions. So let me start now. Okay, first let me scramble my cube. Okay, done. And I will do a quick inspection. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, I will do save me. And okay, red. And I will do another save me. Oh wow, I've got a head start. I will do another, and now I think I should move on. Just place some to skip a nice obstruction from place. Okay. And now okay, so I have completed, and I will now. So yeah, I completed it. And first, make sure that you have subscribed to Paradox Cubing channel, because this video is a giveaway entry video of his channel. He has some great tutorials, and I learned speed cubing from him. He has some great CPUB tutorials. Make sure that you have subscribed to his channel, and please, if you liked my video, then please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. So thanks for watching. Bye guys.